Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It is that time of the year. We are unboxing the YesStyle 2023 Advent Calendar Winter Beautyland. I have it right here next to me and isn't it so cute? It definitely gives the Winter Wonderland cutesy vibe. Very similar to last year's theme, and I've unboxed the past two Advent calendars from YesStyle. So if you would like to compare, I'm going to have those videos linked in my description and also in the cards as well. I just love advent calendars, and who wouldn't want an advent calendar filled of makeup, skincare? Like, say no more. So Yesstyle'S advent calendars are my favorite. They're literally the only advent calendars I've ever had, so I just love it so much, and I have no idea what's inside today's box. I didn't want to look at any of the product info because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So obviously today's video is going to have spoilers. I'm going to give you the whole rundown about the advent calendar, when it's available, everything you need to know we'll talk about today. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So I do want to give you guys a bit of product info before we hop into the actual unboxing. So the Winter Beautyland Advent Calendar will contain 24 full-size products that consist over skincare and makeup, all related to K-beauty. And I feel like that's really good because the past 2 years I noticed that there were some mini size or travel size. So it is really great that everything in here is full-size products, and that comes to a value of over 500 USD, but the actual price of this will be 164.90 USD, which is such a great value. You could buy this for Christmas for yourself as an advent calendar, or you could split up the products, use them as stocking stuffers. I think it's just a really great way to try a lot of skincare, makeup from K-beauty, especially if you're a beginner for a discounted price. Again, everything is full size. That's like really great in my opinion. So I'm just gonna read off my notes about the pre-order, because obviously there will be a pre-order for this, so you can get it before December. So if you're a gold or silver member, it's launching September 19th, and then for all customers it's available on October 3rd, and the official launch is October 10th. So I'm gonna have all those dates and info in my description if you want to refer to that. But also I am a YesStyle affiliate, so if you guys would like to save even more on top of this amazing value, you can use my rewards code YESJUDY to get a bit of extra discount. So my affiliate code will go in rewards codes, and then you can actually stack on a coupon code that usually YesStyle has on their main page, so you can have even further savings if you just stack all these codes. So yeah, my code is always there if you want to shop on YesStyle for anything really. Let's hop into the actual box. So the way it's laid out this year, it actually looks like this, and it opens up like, I guess, a jewelry box. The first layer also has a mirror there as well. You can see my mic in the reflection, and then the second layer pulls out on the bottom. I just love how this is displayed. Actually, it probably would have to be my favorite so far, but let's just get started, guys. Number one is in the first layer here with this little raccoon on the cover. Let's see what day one is. Ooh, so we have a skincare product to start us off. It's from PYUNKANG. It's their Deep Clear Cleansing Balm, and this brand is actually one of my favorite Korean skincare brands. I absolutely love their products, and I have not used their cleansing balm before. I love this like blue packaging, so I actually really love this. Again, a full size, and PYUNKANG I would say is a little bit more on the expensive side. Alright, then let's go to number two. It's on the second layer. It's a little bit smaller. I don't know if the product design on the cover has anything to do with what's actually inside, but ooh, okay, this looks like makeup. This is from Lily by Red. It's their Love Beam Cheek Balm. This is in number 3. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a little heart-shaped blush. This reminds me of the 3CE lip balms I have, but just in a bigger size. The shade is so pretty. I think this is so cute, and you guys know I love anything with hearts, and I've heard really great things about Lily by Red. We are popping off like number 1, number 2. Amazing, amazing. Okay, let's go to number 3. It's a bit of a longer shape, so I don't know what to expect. Oh! This is the KAHI Multi Balm, I think, guys. If you guys watch a lot of K-dramas, then you probably have seen the KAHI Multi Balm. It's like a really popular product placement, and I actually love the original. And I don't know if this is a different one because the packaging is a little bit different, like it's revamped. I think it is the same. I think they might have just repackaged it. So it's their Multi Balm. Yes, I actually have 2 of these on hand right now, and I literally just used it last night. It's part of my skincare routine. So I am so happy to have another one, and I didn't know they repackaged their stuff. So that's amazing. Like, oh my gosh. And this stuff is like not cheap. I think it's about like $60 New Zealand. So far 3 for 3, guys. 3 for 3. I'm trying to put everything back because I need to film a TikTok with these. Let's go into number 4, which is just right next to number 3. I think this might be an eyeliner. It's a little bit skinnier. Ooh, okay. This is from Cleo Cosmetics. It's their Twinkle Pop Glittering Eye Stick in number 11 Glit Me. You guys, Cleo, a famous brand as well, and I've always wanted to try them, so maybe this is my chance to perhaps. It's hard to say whether they are cruelty free or not. I would give them the benefit of the doubt, but this is something that I would love. It kind of reminds me of the Unleashia glitter sticks. Let's go on to number 5. They're all sort of in the same area. I have a feeling this is gonna be skincare because the past few products have all been makeup. I will do a tally at the end of like the ratio from skincare to makeup. Stop! This is the Beauty of JOSEON Calming Serum. Beauty of JOSEON has, I think, 3 of these serums, and the calming one, the green tea one, is actually my favorite one out of the 3, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guys. 5 for 5! What the heck? I was not expecting the advent calendar to be so good. Like, okay, they're always good. I can't complain with makeup, but guys, these are products like from really well-loved brands. I think we're off to an amazing start. Like 5 for 5. Oh, let's go for 6 for 6, shall we? Let's see what's in number 6. It's more of a skinnier packaging. Ooh. Oh, okay. Romand. Another favorite K-beauty brand. This is their Hun All Over Brow Fixer. You guys have been wanting me to try Romand for the longest time, and it's hard to say again whether they're cruelty free or not when it comes to K-beauty brands, but I would maybe say they are. It's a brow gel, and I love the mini micro wand. I think I'm gonna actually love this. I think we are 6 for 6, guys. I think I can say that. Now let's go to number 7. It's on the top layer again, a skinnier, longer one. I don't know why I feel like this is, nope, I was wrong. I was gonna say I feel like it's setting spray, but it is not. So this is from Some by Me. It's their Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. Oh, love me a good eye cream. I do know Some by Me is not cruelty free though, but because I am gifted this, I might keep it for myself, or I might pass it on to friends or family. Maybe my brother would actually love this because we always complain about our under eye bag. Alright, let's go into number 8. It's another more tall and skinny product. Ooh, a mascara, I think. This is from Etude House. So Etude House, I know 100% is not cruelty free, so I'm gonna have to pass this one on, but it's their Lash PERM Volume Fix Mascara. You guys, the brands that we're getting is insane. Like, that is amazing, I feel. Now let me find number 9. This is so much fun. Oh my god. Okay, number 9 is on the bottom layer. It's a little bit bigger. I love all the little illustrations on the cover as well. Let's see. Okay, we got skincare. This is from a brand called FRUDIA, and I remember last year we got one product from them as well, but this is their Essential Blending Hand Cream. Okay, I love a good hand cream, and I need a hand cream. And it says that this is a vegan product. So this is what the hand cream looks like. It's like nice and slim, so it'll be nice to put in your bag. Let's move on to number 10. Where are you? Number 10, over here. Number 10. Ooh, okay. This is from the brand McQueen. There's shading powder. So there's 3 different shades of contour and bronzing. This kind of looks like the Too for School art class bronzer that's really popular. Now we're going to 11, which is also down here as well, a little bit bigger. I think this will be skincare, and am I right? I think I'm right. This is from the brand ENQUIRIES. It's their Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. I love Centella. We gotta wear our SPF, so this is like literally perfect. And I love trying out new sunscreens. I have a bunch in my skincare drawer that I need to try out, so this is definitely one I'm keen to use. And also I'm gonna have all individual links down below as well if you guys want to shop through Yesstyle'S. This green packaging for the sunscreen is so nice. So it's SPF 50 plus PA+++++. Amazing. I cannot wait to try this out. And I actually really love the mix of products in here. Like, we got a eye cream, now we have an SPF. It's not like multiple eye creams or SPF, it's like one of everything. So you really do get such a good mixture so far. Like, we're at number 11 right now, and I'm seriously so happy with all the products. I think they did such a good job this year. Let's see, number 12. Number 12, guys, this is from Muse. This is their Dew Tint in number 9, Soul. That is such a cute name as well, like literally, oh my gosh. I've always wanted to try Muse. They are also a vegan brand as well. The packaging is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Then we go into number 13. Number 13, it's on the bottom level. This one feels a little bit heavier, so I'm gonna say it's probably a skincare product. Oh, okay, yes, I remember this brand. We got this last year as well. It's the HARUHARU Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Essence. I also love me some hyaluronic as well. Bottle is beautiful. This looks amazing as well. I can't wait to try all of these products out. All amazing brands, and all of these brands I've like actually heard of before. They're not like some random brand, you know. Number 14 here, it has a lip crayon on the cover, but I don't think it will be a lip crayon, but let's see. Guys, we have a Wake Make. Wait, I think Sana is the model of Wake Make, but this is their Stay Fixer Packed Vegan. I'm gonna guess it's like a powder, and it's another vegan product, like a translucent powder. I'll use that to fix up my makeup later today. But the packaging is so sleek and so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wake Make as well. Literally all of the K-beauty brands, you're gonna find one of the products in here. It's so good. Actually so surprised right now. Let's go into 15. We got the little reindeer. Oh, I see some. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I haven't heard of this brand. This is from COLOURPOP. It's their Blueberry and Cream Ice Pop Hydrogel Eye Mask. I literally needed some eye patches. And the packaging of this is really, really cute too. So I was saying that I've heard of all of these brands, but this is one brand I have not heard of before. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I love the packaging of it, and I really did need some new eye patches. So now we're on to 16. I feel like we're going through this so quickly, but 16 is on the bottom. It's a more tall and skinny one. It's a little eyeliner. Okay, this is the HOLUPOP Double Eyelid Liner from Holika. So that's another iconic brand as well. I've seen a lot of these double eyelid liners, so you can, if you have monolids, it's like a tinted eyeliner, I would say. Is it? Oh no, this is pink. I'm completely wrong. So it's like a light tinted pink, but apparently like I've seen a lot of these where you can draw on your double lid or your eagle style. Okay, now I'm trying to find 17. 17's over here. This feels a little bit heavy, so again I'm gonna guess skincare, and I'm right, and it's from one of my favorite brands, COSRX, and it's a product I have not tried before. It's the Hyaluronic Acid 3. It's a serum, so it's their Hyaluronic Acid 3 serum. I feel like I've tried so many products from COSRX, so I'm surprised there's a product that like I have not seen before. It kind of reminds me of the Ordinary packaging in a way. The bottle, like the nozzle's kind of unique. It's like a little wider squeezy tube. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one out as well. I absolutely love and adore COSRX, so seeing some of their products in here, truly I'm so excited for. Now let's go on to 18, which is actually like one of the biggest boxes, but it's actually very light. I don't know why I feel like this might be a brush. It is a brush set. It's from a brand called Peach C. It's their tuning brush set and it comes with 3 brushes and a pouch. So the clear pouch kind of looks like a little pencil case. So we have the blusher brush, the nose shading brush, and a base brush. The handle is clear and it's so pretty. I love the lilac. These are more synthetic brushes as well, which is really nice. We now have 19, which I think the character on this one is probably my favorite, this little bear. It's so cute. This one does feel heavy, so I'm gonna guess it's skincare. Dun, dun, dun. This is the KLAIRS Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. I've also tried a lot of products from KLAIRS, but I have not tried this product out before. I love a good foaming cleanser as well, so I cannot wait to try this out as well. Guys, I think this literally is so worth it. Full size brands that you will have heard of and maybe a sprinkle that you might have not. And it's a bit of everything. I think so far we got an eye cream, a cleanser, hand cream, SPF. It's seriously so good. I think this year's the best advent calendar, but 20 was just right next to it. So let's see. It is makeup, I believe. It is from Peripera. This is one of the most famous K-beauty brands and it's their Ink Velvet Lip Tint and Liner Set in Rosy Nude. If there was like one brand that will come to the top of my head when I think of K-beauty, it would be these Ink Velvet Lip Tints. I've literally seen these everywhere. Number 17, I feel like that's a very popular shade, Rosy Nude. And it's monochromatic. Okay, we are now in the 20s. We're coming on to 21. 21 is over here. Feels a little heavy again. I'm gonna guess for skincare. And I am right. And it's from another brand I love. So the brand is AXISY. It's their PHA Resurfacing Glow Peel. Never used a peel product before. I have no idea what this is. It's a water peel that removes dead skin cells to leave your skin fresh and glowing. I actually really like their dark spot correcting serum. I actually use that in my nighttime routine. I used it last night, so it's a brand that I know and love, but I have not used this product before and I've never used a peel, so I'm excited to try this. I'm just so happy with this year's advent calendar, guys. Not that I wasn't last year or the year before, but 22. I think we need an eyeshadow palette. I think actually no, number 24 might be the eyeshadow palette. Anyway, number 22, it is, what is this? Too Cool for School. It's their Frottage pencil. I'm just gonna guess that this is an eyeliner pencil and it's in number 1 Shining Linen. This looks like it's gonna be amazing for egg yolk style, and I have not seen like a jumbo wooden pen in a long time. It kind of gives off like a satin finish that would be good to highlight the inner corners. Oh my goodness, we are on to 23. Where is 23? 23! Oh, 23 right here. 23. This feels like a skincare product. I feel like I know this logo. Is it Mizon? It's Mizon. It's the Plump Collagen Night Cream. Okay, you know Mizon's eye cream? One of my favorites. Another one of their products. I love it. Oh my gosh, cannot wait to use this tonight. This is coming into my nighttime routine with me. Okay guys, the grand finale, 24. This is probably the biggest box and I'm gonna guess it's an eyeshadow palette because I think that's the one thing that we're missing in terms of makeup. So if it's not an eyeshadow palette, then I'm gonna be disappointed. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. And it's from Alicia, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys know my love for Alicia and I probably already do own this. It's the Glitterpedia palette. And number 1, all of glitter. Oh guys, this is such a great palette. Just comes in all different sizes and colors of glitter. It's such a perfect palette to pair with your other eyeshadow palettes. And I'm so glad to see Alicia in here as the final product, and it's actually one of my favorites. Like, I love this palette from Alicia. Truly, what a unboxing. I just added everything up of the skincare and makeup ratio, and it's actually half and half. It's 12 for 12 makeup and skincare, so you do get a really good range of makeup and skincare products, and I think all of the products they have in here legit is so good, guys. Like, this truly is the best advent calendar yet, so I would actually really recommend if you don't have a lot of these products yet, or maybe some of these you've been wanting to try out. Like, I truly think it's so worth the value. So again, all the info is going to be in my description, my code, everything, links, everything you would need to know. I'm going to have it in my description box. Thank you so much to Yesstyle for sending this to me. Like, it makes me so excited and happy about makeup and skincare. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found it helpful, just seeing all the products in action as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!